Hey everyone, Kevin here from SSEV Technologies. Going to show how to install our Jeep doorless mirrors today. To install, essentially you'll need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket or 10mm nut driver. So to start, you have to get the factory handle covers out of the way. So take a flathead screwdriver, just kind of get under the edge from one side or the other there, kind of pop it loose. Then it's got a retaining strap, so essentially just pull, that pops right out. So now take your 10mm socket or nut driver, go in and just go ahead and take that screw on out. They're generally pretty, not too tight from the factory, so it's pretty easy to come out. Alright, once that's out of the way, you're going to take the new Jeep mount bracket that we have and then the M6 screw that comes in the kit. Should put that in with a Phillips head screwdriver. So get that kind of started and lined up in the A-pillar and the handle there. Run that in. Just get it tight. You don't have to be Hercules with the part. These are all plastic handles. So, all right, and then there you have it. Essentially, you got your mirror mount all set. Handles nice, still good and solid. As we advertise, essentially you can mount this on the top location or the bottom location, whichever you prefer. It's kind of wherever while you're driving, where you'd like to have your mirrors. And then the mirror that comes in the kit, essentially you just have to line it up right there with either clip, and it goes in nice. Same thing at the top, and then per the instructions you get, you'll see essentially to go at the top location there's an extra arm bracket that goes in here and actually turns the mirror 90 degrees. That actually lets it work at the top and gets it in the right orientation. Or at the bottom, you don't need that extra mount, goes right in. Essentially just have to use the thumb screws, kind of get it good and tight, and yeah, ready to rock and roll.